Good afternoon, everyone. We found out about Relive that was 23 years, 2001. No? So we are going into our 24th year taking this product and sharing this wonderful product. No? So I will share with you a little bit lang. Nung na-invite kami sa ganitong event, ang issue namin noon was my children. Parati po silang may sakit, may ubo. So baka yung iba dyan, yan din yung sitwasyon nila. As a mom, I'm always on the lookout for something that will help them. And this is the first product that was introduced to us kasi wala pa pong Now for Kids before when we joined. So the Relief Now is the most comprehensive and cost-effective supplement. Ano mo ba ibig sabihin pag sinasabi ng supplement? Kasi minsan sasabihin na kumakain naman ako ng husto, kanin, gulay, and everything. Why do I need to supplement? Because ang katawan po natin, meron tayong tinatawag na recommended dietary intake, yung RDA, no? So meron siyang vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B. All these have a function sa katawan natin. These are the nutrition. Yan din yung mga sangkap na dapat nakukuha natin sa gulay, sa prutas, when we eat meat, what is inside the food. So hindi lang dahil nakakain na tayo, pero ano yung nakain ninyo? So if we go back to the children, our children, kung piling-pili lang yung kinakain ng mga anak nyo, pareho ng anak ko dati, prito lang. Anything crunchy, yun lang yung kakainin niya. So iniisip ko, paano ko ipiprito ang gulay, paano ko palulutungin ang kakainin niya, kasi yun lang yung gusto niyang kainin. So that was my problem. So when Relief was introduced, it makes nutrition simple kasi inilahalo ko lang sa gatas niya ito. So it makes complex nutrition simple to attain. We can always eat natural, tama, kung kakain yung bata. Pero kung yung mga anak ninyo, they have their own special food. French fries, hamburger, pizza. I'm sure sino nakaka-relate na ganyan yung mga gusto ng anak niyo, di ba? So they will always be devoid of key nutrients and micronutrients. That's why Relief became a simple solution for me and my family, especially kaming mag-asawa kasi napapalo namin yung anak namin pag ayaw kumain. Kaya lang, so stressful, di ba, during mealtime, pag ayaw nilang kainin yung gulay na pinagluto mo. So ang sabi namin, as long as you will drink this twice a day, hindi na tayo mag-aaway. So that was just a way to get them to drink kasi una ayaw din nila. Okay? So this Relief Now allows you to achieve peak nutritional level every day to be at your competitive best. Ano bang meron dito sa Relief Now na ito? Meron din siyang Lunarich. I'll talk more about Lunarich later. So yung isang serving po ng Relief Now is isang scoop. No? Ang isang lata, meron po 60 scoops dyan. So ano ho ba ang katumbas? Okay, if you see mungo beans, peanuts, ganyan. Wala pong munggo sa loob, wala rin yung peanut. No? So kung may allergy kayo sa peanut, okay lang po yan. Kasi ang nasa loob ng lata is the equivalent nutrients. So kung hindi po kayo mag-relieve now, ito po yung mga dapat yung habulin sa natural food. To get the zinc that you need for the day, you need about 1 kilo of mungo beans. I don't know kung your kids take mungo beans, pero ang anak ko ayaw. 3 baso ng gatas, no? Siguro kung makaisa ang bata, happy na tayo, di ba? Pero you need about 3 glasses to meet your daily calcium requirement. Peanuts, 85 grams, no? So, yan po yung equivalent niyan. You can take a snapshot. So, try niyo po mapakain yan sa mga anak niyo and sa family members every day. But in our case, imposible po. That's why we give them Relief Now. So Relief, after a year po namin sa Relief, this product came about, the Relief Now for Kids. So ang difference naman dito, meron po siyang tatlong brain support nutrition. So it's ideally good until age 12 ng bata because from babies, yung brain po nila lumalaki, no? So they need special nutrients if you want your kids to be smarter and healthier. Kahit naman college, okay din yan, no? So yung tumalino at mag-excel sa kanilang school, no? At hindi nyo nahirapan kayo magturo. Now for Kids is the answer for me. That's what I gave my children when they were younger, no? So after nung lumabas na yung Now for Kids, ito na yung binigay ko sa kanila. So it supports kids' immune system and growth as well. Ano naman ang makikita mo sa Now for Kids, no? So yan, meron siyang DHA, omega-3, PS is phosphatidylserine and phosphatidylcholine. Yan mga brain food yan. It helps your brain function better. Good for memory as well. Mind you, pwede rin ito sa mga nagkakaedad. Like my mom, I was giving this to her also. And grapeseed extract at may Luna-Rich din siya. So yan po yung mga equivalent nutrients na nandiyan sa lata ng ating Now for Kids, no? So imagine may katumbas ng isang cup ng ampalaya. I'm sure your kids hindi kakain ng ampalaya. But it has that equivalent for riboflavin, no? And biotin. Minsan, niisip ko nga, saan ko pang pagkain kukunin itong mga ito? Because these are necessary. And when you talk of essential, hindi po yan pinuproduce ng katawan natin. That's why it has to come from food. So when you say essential nutrition, kailangan po manggaling sa pagkain. Ito naman po yung Luna-Rich X, epigenetic superfood, ang tawag namin dyan. So this was discovered by Dr. Alfredo Galvez when you saw the earlier picture niya. And this, ang pinaka-root nito is Lunasyn, no? If you like to check the website on Lunasyn, meron siyang www.lunasyn.com, and you will see a lot of information on Lunasyn. So why Luna-Rich? Because we live improve the Lunasyn bioavailability from 5 to 6 times more Lunasyn than ordinary Lunasyn. Ang Lunasyn po makikita niyo sa soy and other food. That's a natural thing sa mga pagkain. Pero Luna-Rich has 5 to 6 times more Lunasyn content. Kung sasabihin ng iba, magtataho na lang ako. The issue with the Lunasyn and just common soy, hindi siya minsan tumatagal sa ating stomach acid dahil na sisira na siya. But because Luna-Rich was specially made to go through our intestinal stomach acid, may mga proprietary manufacturing secret. That's why meron tayong patent. People can only buy Luna-Rich through us as distributors or directly to the company. So ano naman ang nagagawa niyan? Maganda yan sa may mga cholesterol. But if you are taking this for cholesterol management, take it in dinner time, after dinner. Kasi sa gabi, ang liver natin gumagawa ng cholesterol when we sleep. So this is beneficial to use it during the time. It helps reduce mga inflammation. Ano ba ang inflammation? Yan yung mga sakit, no? Pag nagkakasakit tayo, marami kang inflammation sa katawan. So it helps reduce inflammation. Improve immunity, and marami pa, even for tumors, cancers, anything na mga pagbubukol. We don't say that this is a cure per se, but we have many good results with this. So marami siyang published studies also. So you can search on it, what is Lunasyn? Nadami na pong information kayong makikita. Ito, Energize. Perfect yan kasi mainit na ngayon. So we market as a sports and energy nutrition, but for my kids, they take Now and Energize combination in just a glass of water. Hinahalo nila yan. So ano ho ba yung isotonic? Ito yung mabilis pumasok sa katawan natin. That's why most sports drink are, at least yung mga Gatorade, mga ganyan, isotonic drink yan, no? Nakaka-increase ng energy and oxygen absorption. And may mga vitamins and minerals din tayo sa ating Energize. It's not just a regular sports drink kasi usually sa mga regular sports drink, may sugar yan, may electrolytes, tapos na. But sa atin may vitamins, minerals, and may antioxidants din siya that protect our cells, no? Ano ho ba ang antioxidant? Ito yung kailangan ng katawan natin to counter naman mga free radicals, no? Kung hindi nyo pa na-encounter yung free radicals, for people with cancer, like me, I had it before, dyan ako na-introduce kung ano ibig sabihin ng free radicals. When in our atmosphere, we absorb a lot of these free radicals, yung mga usok na yan, mga pollution na yan, mga toxic things, no? And when you absorb it, nasisira yung cells natin. And antioxidants is the one that repairs. So when you are eating, you want to find food, no, that is rich in antioxidants. Marami yan sa mga natural food natin. Wala yan sa processed food. Wala yan sa chichirya. Okay, but you need to eat vegetables, fruits, no. It helps counter the free radicals that we get absorbed every day, no. So ito naman yung equivalent nutrients na makikita nyo sa Energize. You know, may OptiZinc siya. These are patented zinc. So for mga diabetics, is also helpful. And kahit yung L-carnitine is pangpapayat naman niya. So if you're into workout, this is a good tandem. Parang kung nagpapawis na kayo, after niyan mapapagod kayo, nakakatulong yan mawala yung pain, no, sa mga muscle soreness, no. So chromate is also a patented ingredient. So imagine a patented product, Energize, has at least 4 patented ingredients. So ano po yan? So yan yung mga magkukuha ninyo kung hindi kayo nakakain masyado ng carrots, no, or ng mangga. Yung equivalent vitamin A and half of that is already with the Energize, or potassium, no. So for me, if I need a quick boost, napagod ako buong araw, pinagpawisan ka, you feel so tired out, I would just take a scoop of Energize. Masarap siya with ice, no, with ice water. So, yan, para rin nagbuko juice ka. Okay, syempre, pag buko juice, mamimili ka pa, lalabas ka pa, mamamasahay, di mapapagod ka pa. So, better have Energize at home. And it's also helpful for us when may diarrhea or na food poisoning, magsusuka ka. That's when you lose electrolytes, no? Yung parating LBM, whenever you go to the bathroom and experience that. If you have Energize, hindi ka manghihina. At least you take a scoop every time. So that's how you replace your electrolytes. Ito is a favorite product ko din ito, Fiber Store. Ito naman ang ating digestive health, no? Ang importante sa ating pagkain, kaya tayo kumakain ng mga gulay, one of the, besides the micronutrients, is also the fiber. So that's where our fiber comes from, your fruits, your vegetables, and it helps support healthy cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Kapag nakakain kasi tayo ng maraming matatamis, no? Tumataas yung sugar or carbs because mabilis siyang ma-digest. So if you are diabetic, they advise na wag too much carbs, or you need to eat more complex carbohydrates para ma-absorb ng katawan. So it's the fiber that absorbs this excess sugar in your bloodstream. And meron din natawag tayong soluble and insoluble fiber. So tignan nyo, ang gulay may dalawang klase. Pag sinabi mong soluble, you can go to the internet and list down ano ba yung mga klaseng soluble fiber. Your peas, your asparagus, your carrots, no? Yung mabilis siyang matunaw. Meron din tinatawag na insoluble, kangkong. Yung pag dumi mo, parang buo pa rin, parang hindi ka natunawan, or even mais, no? So, hindi siya sa hindi ka natunawan, not because they are insoluble, hindi talaga siya natutunaw basta-basta. It acts like a walis sa ating katawan, sa ating system. So imagine kung kayo, nagbabrush kayo ng ngipin using a toothbrush, yung ating esophagus, your gastrointestinal tract, mahaba po yan, no? At kung ang kinakain po natin puro junk food, paano mo wawalisin ang mga toxin sa katawan mo? And that is the role of fiber. And Fiber Store has both 5 soluble and 5 insoluble fiber per serving. Kaya makakatulong po yan even for weight loss kasi you feel full, parang busog, no? And feel full without the extra calories. So I use that, put it into my shake, lalo na kapag hindi ako nakakain ng gulay. Kasi not every time, minsan ang mahal ng gulay, we will skip vegetables, we have fruits. O minsan ang mahal naman ng prutas. So Fiber Store is my supplementary fiber. So you can add it together with your Now or together with your Now and Energize or even on its standalone. Pineapple ang flavor naman niya. Pero maano po siya parang kung sa Pilipino parang darak Some people will feel na ganun magaspang is because nga fiber talaga siya. So kung ayaw nyong medyo magaspang siya, leave it for a few minutes before you drink it. Maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Nagsosoften na yung fiber. No? So ano bang meron sa isang scoop ng fiber store? Yan, kumakain ba yung anak nyo ng kamote tops? Okay. How about saluyot? O kaya sigarilyas. Okay, naturally, best kainin niyang mga gulay na yan. Pero kapag hindi nyo nakakain, well, at least you know you have a possible solution. Not only that, meron siya mga herb blend, no? Yung papain and bromelain, these are digestive enzymes, no? And of course, garlic for heart health. So yan yung mga ingredients ng Fiber Store. Our next product is Artefect. Of course, tayo hindi forever young with regard our joints. As you grow old, when you reach minsan 40s, 30s, yung cartilage kasi natin, nauupod niyan. Parang hindi na siya ganun ka-flexible, especially when you don't have enough exercise, no? So you will have those joint pains, or when you reach 60 na, masasakit na yung mga tuhod because of those cartilage. So we have a product that addresses joint health. And this is Artefect. Meron siyang proprietary blend of ingredients, lalo na yung, this helps restore existing joint tissues. Yan, meron siyang R-thread. Ano ba tong R-thread? In Germany, this is injectable. Okay? Ang kakaiba ng Artefect with other joint health product, yung iba kasi is symptomatic lang. Tatanggalin niya yung pain for momentarily. Pero yung R-thread, it helps regrow back cartilage to some extent, no? Pero of course, kailangan yung katawan natin would have the right nutrition every day. Okay? So it has microlactin and also ashwagandha. Okay? Marami pa pong herbs sa loob ng Artefect that you can take a look at, no? So, para ka na rin kumain ng tofu, kangkong for calcium. So, may other minerals din siya, no? Ang microlactin, actually, this is one of the new ingredients added. Maganda kasi sa Relive, they do a lot of research, and if they see new ingredients that's helpful for the product, nilalagay na lang nila yan, no? So, ang microlactin has 32 clinical trials to date, and it helps prevent joint stiffness and provides joint comfort. When I had my chemotherapy way back in 2011, one of the side effects of my treatment was osteoporosis and arthritis. And para akong matanda kung lumabas ng sasakyan, it will take me 15 minutes to get out of the car. Nakakaiyak kasi para ka talagang tumanda. No? But when I took Artefect, siguro naka 5 cans ako. I was back to healthy joints. Parang no more pain. No? On the second month, nawala na yung pain, and unti-unti bumalik yung flexibility that, sabi ko nga kanina with the staff, I still have a goal to reach that before I reach 60, I will run. Ayoko mga akong magmamarathon, no? Pero I'd like to go into running also. So yan ang Artefect. With Artefect, it's possible. Okay, we have our reverse age. And this is our anti-aging product. Okay, sino ba gustong tumanda? Lahat naman tayo tatanda, no? But if you can grow old gracefully, and kung yun yung gusto nyo na walang wrinkles like me, yan, reverse age, no? It promotes longevity, supports mood and mental focus. Actually, bagay din to if you have moms or dads na parating nagagalit at bugnutin. Why? Because reverse age has an ingredient called SAMe. Ang SAMe, marami yan sa bata. Kaya ang bata, mabilis patawanin. Minsan, kumembot ka lang dyan, tatawa na sila, di ba? Pero pag matanda na, ang hirap silang patawanin. In fact, they become so stressed over little things. But reverse age has SAMe. So SAMe will help replenish that mood nila. Mas bumabait at nagiging happier yung mood nila. That's one of the secret inside reverse age, no? At marami din siyang antioxidants to help slow down the aging process. Good for blood circulation, Vigor, stamina, marami siyang ingredients sa loob. No? And primarily, ang reverse age has 3 proprietary blend for longevity, for antioxidant, and mga herbs, no, like maca powder, pang help with sexual vitality, no, and helps with sleep. And some ingredients that help produce yung symbiotropin, nakakatulong yan mag-produce ng human growth hormones. So, wala po siyang hormones, pero yun po ang nag-trigger to produce your own growth hormones. Yan siya. Yung proprietary longevity, complex, yung antioxidant, no? Maraming ingredients na maganda dyan. Paano pala iniinom ang reverse age? We normally recommend taking it before bedtime. Yung naka-digest ka na, you can take a scoop of that. Even up to 6 ounce. Kasi pag medyo elderly, iinom yan, minsan napapa-CR sila in the middle of the night, no? So you can take it if you have your dinner like around 7 o'clock. Then you can take it around 9. Best yan is right before sleeping. Kasi minsan nakakagising din yan kapag maaga mong ininom. So you become mentally alert. Pero masarap po yan. Ang flavor niyan is lemon lime na parang herbs, no? So masarap siyang malamig. Okay. By the way, in making our shake, we don't recommend using hot water. And although minsan may mga nakalagay dyan and you can put it your favorite beverage, I don't advise putting it into coffee. I've had someone, nakalagay kasi dito lagay favorite beverage, paborito ko, mainit na kape. Tapos after I was following up, wala daw siyang nafe-feel sa pag-take ng product kasi nasira po yung mga ingredients, hinalo niya sa mainit na kape. So yun lang, don't tap to cold water would be good. Up to lukewarm, like some some products like Artifect is good, pwede siya sa mainit. Pero yung like yung Relieve Now, yung Energize mo, madidegrade kasi yung ibang vitamins like vitamin C pag hinahalo sa mainit na tubig. Kaya kung kayo magkakalamansi juice, yung cold na lang, wag yung hot kalamansi. Sayang yung vitamin C. Okay? Those are the products that we have. So just a little review. We have our Relieve Now for pwede yan bata matanda, no? It's for everyone. But if you want that extra boost for your children, for brain development, you try the Now for Kids. It comes in 2 flavors, yung vanilla and yung chocolate. And we have our Energize. And then you have the fiber for our digestive health. And we have Artifect for joint health and anti-aging. So konti lang yan. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You only have 7 products to share with, no? Okay? So back tayo sa kwento ko kanina, what happened to my kids when they started on Relive products. Nung una, yun nga, masakitin sila because they're very picky eaters. They only like fried food. But when I put them on Relive in about 2 weeks time, my son, who normally has to be on antibiotics bago siya gumagaling sa ubo, nawala yung kanyang ubo in 2 weeks without the help of antibiotics. So I know that I was on the right path. So over 2 to 3 months, hindi na po bumalik yung ubo niya kasi almost 2 to 3 months siya, mga 4 times a year yan on antibiotics. And since we put them on Relive products, we've never had to resort to antibiotics kasi kung sipunin man sila, bibigyan ko lang ng Relieve. Pag uwi nila sa school, kinabukasan, okay na sila. So it helps me manage time. Kasi kung dati, panay po kami balik sa pedya nila, no? In fact, hinanap kami ng pedya after a time. Makala nila, nagpalit na ako ng pediatrician. Sabi ko, no, we just put them on Relieve so they're better health, so they are not as sickly. And for me, I took the product after maybe 2 to 3 weeks. Siyempre, as a mom, uunahin mo yung anak mo. And I was concerned of the price. Sabi ko, naku, gastos yata yan. But I was hearing a lot of the stories na mamaya maririnig niyo, nagkinig ako ng meeting, and it encouraged me to use the product also. I was just curious, ano bang gagawin ng product sa akin? Wala naman akong sakit. Yun ang feeling ko. But it helped me lose my pre-pregnancy and pregnancy weight loss. Weight. I had parang another 10 pounds to lose. 2 years na akong nanganak noon at hindi pa ako pumapayat. Parang I have all the bulges at the wrong places kung naiintindihan mo yan. So in about 5 weeks of taking Relive, with no exercise pa noon na, Relive now and Energize, nawala lahat yon. So I was so excited na finally may nahanap akong effective way to lose pregnancy-related fats. And the rest is history. We have so many stories. My husband got rid of his rhinitis na since he was high school hanggang 30s niya, meron siya niyan. So nawala yan on the 3rd week, yung kanyang rhinitis. So we sleep soundly kasi hindi na rin malakas siyang humilik, yung snoring, no? So our family is so happy that it's been the 20 plus 3 years that we are on Relive. We are happy sharing it as well. And I hope if you are not yet into Relive, have not tried, give it a try po. Thank you.